Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are stopping by for the first time, this is De'Belle Makeovers. Today I'll be sharing with you 5 game-changing makeup tips that will up your makeup game and give you a flawless skin finish every time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So jumping right into tip number 1, make sure your skin is super hydrated regardless of skin type. First of all, before you even start your makeup at all, you have to make sure that your face is very clean. Worst thing will be for you to apply your makeup on a dirty skin. You have to make sure that there is no oil or any form of dirt on the face before we go ahead to hydrate the face. I'm going to spray this badescu facial spray all over my face to give my face that hydration it needs, and then I'm going to dry it down with this fan. So you want to make sure that every step you dry it down before the next one. Now I'm going into a hydrating serum. That is the Ordinary Hyaluronic acid serum. I'm using it to moisturize my face and my neck. You can see how the face is already looking hydrated, and that's not all. I'm going into a proper moisturizer again. I'm using the Cosrx snail cream and I'm applying it all over my face. You can use brush if you're applying for a client, but I like to work this product into my skin with my fingers. Moving on to tip number 2. Don't fall for primer hype. Use the right one for your skin type. I have an oily face and enlarged pores, so I'm using this porefessional mattifying primer that also helps to refine pores. I'm not just going to go for any primer that is trending just because it is trending. It has to work for your skin type. So you have to know your skin type and know the one that works for it. And then I'm going into foundation straight up. That brings us to the very next step. Next tip, when applying foundation, for an even tone, match your neck, not your face. So you can see that my face is a bit darker than my neck. If I decide to go with the shade of my face, I'm going to end up with a face darker than my neck, and that is defeating the purpose of a foundation, which is to even your skin tone, to even out your skin tone and make everywhere the same. So I'm using the shade that matches my neck, so that when I'm done with the application, both my face and my neck will have an even tone. If your face and your neck are the same shade, this definitely doesn't apply to you. You can just match your face and you're good to go. And I know that there are some exceptions to the rule as well. You might feel like, okay, what if your neck is darker? In that case, I try as much as possible not to go too far, not to move too far away from the shade of the neck, because when you are done with your makeup, unless the person is wearing turtleneck, that's the only way the neck will not show. You have to find a way to match the face and the neck as closely as possible. The difference between them shouldn't be that obvious or noticeable. Now I'm going to be highlighting my face with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. Today's video is not really about highlighting. If you would like me to do an updated routine on highlighting and contouring, let me know in the comment section. In this video, I've only got 5 tips that I'm sharing. If you'd like me to do a part 2 of this video, let me know in the comment section, because there's still a lot more that will help you to achieve a flawless beat. Also, in case you are not aware, I'm also a freelance makeup artist. I take bookings for all kinds of makeup looks within and around London, United Kingdom. I also offer one-on-one online trainings and physical trainings. Send me a DM on Instagram at De'Belle Makeovers. The link to my Instagram page is in the description box. Don't you just love how this skin is skinning? Just look at it. I don't even feel like applying powder. That brings us to tip number 4. Don't apply too much powder. You already have a full coverage from your foundation and your concealer that you use to highlight. All you need is just little powder to set the foundation and lock it in place. You don't want your foundation to be moving around. I'm just applying very little powder to set my face. I'm using this setting powder from Merak now, and I'm just using just 1 coat. I'm not taking a lot. What I took was really little, and I'm just blending it in till my under eye gets smoothened out. And that's what I'm doing for all the areas that I highlighted, and then I'll go over the rest of my face with my exact powder shade, just little quantity to set the foundation. You don't have to pack the powder. When you pack the powder, it gives you like a very heavy and cakey look. I'm contouring now, and I'm also using a little amount of the darker shade. Even for baking the face, which you will see me do in a bit, reduce the amount of powder you are going to use to bake. Don't use a lot, especially for the under eye area. Just a very little amount of powder so you don't have cakey under eyes. You can see I'm only concentrating at the outer corner of my eye just to give the eyes like a sharp lifted look, and then my cheeks, which I can get away with. But for the under eye, you have to be very careful. Generally, don't use too much powder. Number 5, blend, 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 and blend some more. Make sure you blend each step perfectly well before moving to the next step. That is the key to a flawless skin finish. And I assure you that these 5 steps will take your skin work to the next level. Now I'm doing my brows, and for today I'm not going to be dwelling on the other parts of makeup. We're only dealing with the skin finish, but I have enough eyebrow tutorials on this channel that you can check out. But if you would like me to do a similar video for eyebrow, also let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question about this video, if there was anything that you felt I didn't address, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely reply. All the products I used are going to be listed in the description box, so you can check it out. Enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. If you like this video, if you comment, it's going to help the video to reach many more people that need to see it as well. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.
Make a mess inside this booth. You're taking me to places old and new. Sweetest song than our favorite song, and it feels like every time that it comes on, we just roll on till the day's done and the lights gone, and it won't take long. Even when I'm without you, when I'm without you, babe, so listen up and play along, yeah. And that's how time flies, like we are different time. Tell me that you're here and feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. It's fine line, but how we keep on walking all night. Tell me that you're here and feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down for anything. Down, down, we can keep it. Down, 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 we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 we can keep it. Down, down, down. I can feel it covering us over like a wave. Hold on, I can feel it covering us over like a wave. Hold on, I can feel it covering us over like a wave. Oh, hold on, I can feel it covering us over like a wave. Oh, I don't mind a little rain on my suit. A little bit of angry makes you cute. And we've been watching this show so long, but it feels like everything that we wrote went back into the pen we used. Won't take long, even when I'm without you, babe. So listen up and play along. how time flies, like we're on a different timeline. Tell me that you're here with feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. It's fine line that we keep on walking all night. Tell me that you're here with feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 yeah, we can keep it. Down, 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 yeah, we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 yeah, we can keep it. Down, 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 yeah, we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. Yeah, we can make a mess inside this booth. You're taking me to places old and new. Sweeter sound than our favorite song. And it feels like every time that it comes on, we just roll